Within your accessory bag in your installation kit, you will receive the following items. You will receive 8-inch zip ties. These zip ties are for mounting the cables and different things to the bracket. You will receive 2 Carabiners. This can also be used for mounting the float and other various cables. You will receive 4 5.5-inch zip ties, and those are for just tidying up the cables and doing your loops. You will receive an applicator that goes with your crickery, so when you are finishing up the antenna and putting this over the groove in the asphalt, you can smooth it with this, then the drying agent goes on top of that. You've got the masonry bit for drilling the holes within the concrete wall to mount your bracket. You will receive 4 1/4-inch by 1.5-inch concrete bolts, and then 2 1/4-inch by 2.5-inch concrete bolts. These longer bolts can be used for mounting the sensor to the side of the sewer wall, and typically the 4 bolts are used for mounting the bracket to the side of the sewer wall, but they can be interchanged. You will have a hex driver for the concrete bolts, and then 2 washers. That one of our ways of mounting this sensor is you run them through the washers, pinch a little cable tie right here, and then mount it to the sewer wall. And the final item is an alcohol wipe, just to keep everything clean when you're out dealing with your messy sewer. And that is your accessory bag. Also included in your box is you will have your installation manual. This manual covers both the level and float RTUs for the MyLevel, describing the installation setup process and everything you need, as well as the float device will have its own setup form as well as the level device. Both forms are pretty similar, but the level goes into more details on your depth of sensor, height of the manhole, and details like that. These 2 items, along with everything else, will be included in your MyLevel RTU box.